In this video, you'll learn how to delete a workspace in Notion. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to successfully remove an entire workspace from your Notion account, ensuring that all associated content is permanently deleted. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome. This browser is recommended for optimal performance while accessing Notion's features and settings. Ensure that your browser is updated to avoid any compatibility issues. Next, navigate to the Notion website by typing notion.so into the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage, which allows you to log into your account, enter your credentials to access your workspace dashboard. After logging in, locate your profile icon, typically found in the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile will reveal a menu that includes various options related to your account and workspaces. This is where you will begin the process of deleting a workspace. Choose the workspace you wish to delete from the available options. Selecting the correct workspace is crucial, as this action will lead to the permanent deletion of all content within it. Once you have identified the workspace, proceed to the next step. Click on the Settings option from the profile menu. This section contains various settings related to your account and workspaces. After selecting Settings, you will see additional options on the right side of the screen. Navigate to the General tab within the settings. This area includes important configurations for your workspace. Once you are in the General settings, look for the option that states Delete Entire Workspace. Click on it to initiate the deletion process. A confirmation prompt will appear requesting you to type in your profile name to verify your identity. This step is a security measure to ensure that you are authorized to delete the workspace. Enter your profile name as requested and proceed to the next step. Finally, click on the Permanently Delete Workspace button. This action will remove the workspace and all its contents from your Notion account. After completing this action, you should receive a confirmation that the workspace has been successfully deleted and it will no longer appear in your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.